Hello everybody, welcome to Darsh school. Today we are making earrings, these ones. For this we are going to need two colored strips. I have taken 5 quilling tool or rolling tool, fevicol, the handle for the outside ring, or you can take a fevicol bottle as well, and earring